Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand a very important concept inside Google Ads that is called ad rotation setting. So as I said earlier in my videos that whenever you create a campaign, when we discussed about Google structure, Google campaign structure, so we always said that you have to create multiple ad copies inside a Google ad, campaign and multiple ad group inside the campaign. Why and what is the need of creating multiple ad group or multiple ad copies? So that Google's algorithm can test multiple ad copies and can see which one is performing well. But how do Google deciding which copy to be shown at what time? That is called Google ad copy rotation, or you can say ad rotation, that all the advertisement, all the ad copies are being rotated and displayed to the user frequently by changing positions every time. So what is Google ad rotation? Ad rotation is the setting that tells Google how to choose which ad to show when you have multiple ads in the same ad group. Again, as I said, if you have only multiple ad groups, then only this setting will work. If you have only single ad group or single ad copy, this ad group, this particular setting is not going to help you. What is the importance of this? It is the engine behind alpha beta testing your ad copy, because every user is different. Every user will be hooked by a different thing. Let's say if you are selling mobile phones, some user will be hooked by the features, somebody will be hooked by the price, somebody will be the design, somebody will be the battery, somebody will be the display, right? So you have to have multiple ad copies, and every time you have multiple ad copies, Google will keep on rotating your ad copies to display and to find out the which one is performing best. And the second one is getting this right means you can systematically improve your ads and lower your cost, because if you have only one ad copy, as I said, that different users will be hooked by different ad copies, but if you have only one, then you are missing out multiple types of audience. So as I said, that if you have multiple ad copies, Google will rotate all the ad copies and will decide which one is performing well. So inside your Google ad dashboard, when you analyze the report, you will see that not all the ad copies will have same impressions, same clicks, same results. Some ad copies will have higher results, some ad copies will have lower result, because it is dependent on the user response as well. And the option that you get inside the Google ad dashboard is this. First is use campaign setting, whatever campaign setting you have applied, and the other option is optimize and do not optimize. Optimize means prefer best performing ads. It means, let's say you have 3 ad copies, and let's say A, B, C are those the ad copies. B is performing well, so Google ad algorithm, based on the response that B is getting, it will decide that B is getting more and more response, so show B more often as compared to A and C. So this is optimized based on the Google side algorithm. But let's say you don't want to auto optimize it. You don't want that only one ad copy which is performing well should be shown more frequently. You want all the ad copies to be visible in front of the audience equal times. They should get equal impression, they should get equal clicks, they should get equal chance to appear. Then in that case, the second option is do not optimize. It means each and every ad copy will get a similar and equal chance to be present in front of the audience, irrespective of which one is getting higher result or lower result. The only disadvantage of this second option, that is do not optimize, that you will end up spending money on those ad copies which are not getting result. But this is useful also, but only in that scenario when you are confident enough and experienced enough to test your ad copies manually. You don't want to optimize based on Google's ad algorithm. You want to optimize and you want to test ad copies manually based on your control. But if you are a beginner, if you don't want your money to be wasted, go with this option, that is optimize, and this is the default option that you will always see inside your Google Ads dashboard. So this is what Google Ads rotating system is, and that's how it works. As I said, the choice is yours. If you go for optimize, that Google's AI and machine learning automatically show your winning ad more often. And if you go for do not optimize, then this shows all your ad as evenly as possible, given each one a fair chance, regardless of its initial performance, whether it is performing low or high, it will give equal chance to each and every ad copy. And that's how Google Ads rotating setting explained, and that's how it works. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.